Hi everyone, in this video I am going to make a balloon leaf. We need 7 260s or what others call modeling balloons. Give them a stretch before inflating. Then inflate them leaving a small part uninflated. Release a small amount of air every time you tie a 260 balloon to work easily with them. Tie 260s and line them up like this. The 7th balloon will be placed in the middle. Wrap the 3 pairs of 260s and tie it. Twist the 7th balloon to make a bead. Take the first 2 pairs of 260s above and pinch and twist it on the bead. Do the same for all the pairs. Repeat the process until you use all the inflated part. Loosen some of the 260s, especially on the middle part of the leaf, to create its form. When I reach the end part of the 260s, I tie them well together and continued with the next pair of 260s. The last pair, I joined them together to form the tip of the leaf. Cut all the excess and it's done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!